Welcome to Sounds of Phonics. I'm Miss Shirley. Today we're going to do AR says ah. AR says ah. Arm, arm, arm. I have two long arms. I can hug you with my arms. For far, for far. Five little ducks went out one day. No, 5 little ducks went out one day over the hills and far away. Mother duck said quack, 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 but only one little duck came back. Her ardor hard, her ardor hard. Oh my goodness, I can't sleep with my head on that rock because it's very hard. However, I can sleep with my head on that pillow because it's very soft. Jar, 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 jar. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar? Was it you? No, it's not me. For arm, farm, for arm, farm. The cow licked Nelly in the belly in the barn. Barn. On the farm, old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O, and on that farm he had some dogs. E-I-E-I-O, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm. E-I-E-I-O. Barn, barn. And this is a barn. The cows and the horses and the chickens and the ducks live in the barn in winter when there is snow. Star, star, star. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond, that's a diamond, in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Sharp, sharp, SH says sh. My goodness, that knife is very sharp. Don't put your finger and cut it. You can cut your finger off. Start. Start your day with a smile, and you will see it's a happy day. Try to be happy every day. Start, some art, smart, some art, smart. He's very smart. He's dressed up so well, and I think he's going for an interview. Ba. I've got a big bar of delicious fruit and nut chocolate. Art. I'm doing my artwork. I'm painting. Card. Happy birthday to you. Here's a birthday card for you. Park. Let's go to the park and play. On the slide, seesaw, monkey bars, and the roundabout. Tart. The Queen of Hearts, she made some tarts, all on a summer's day. The Knave of Heart, he stole her tarts and ran far away. Car. Driving in my car, I buckle my belt. Driving in my car, I buckle my belt. Driving in my car, I buckle my belt. Buckle up my seat belt. Click! And I have to click it so that I know it's secure. Dart, dart, dart. Now these are darts, and I'm going to throw the darts at the target. That's my target. I have to get a bullseye. That means that black dot in the middle. Ark, 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 ark. Who built the ark? Noah, Noah. Who built the ark? Brother Noah built the ark. Mark, 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 mark. On your mark, get set, go. Serpa ark, spark, serpa ark, spark. You can't light a fire without a spark. As the flames go higher, a fire without a spark. Dark, 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 dark. In the night, it's very dark. And then you can go outside and lie down on the ground and look up at the sky, and you can look at the moon and the stars. Okay? Circle off, scarf, circle off, scarf. This is a little scarf. Okay? Jiggle your scarf, jiggle, 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 jiggle and turn around. Jiggle your scarf, jiggle, 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 jiggle and touch the ground. You can jiggle it by your nose, jiggle it by your knees, jiggle it by your toes. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle and freeze. Freeze means you don't move. Okay? Jiggle your scarf, jiggle, 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 jiggle and turn around. Jiggle your scarf, jiggle, 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 jiggle and touch the ground. Bark, 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 bark. Old MacDonald had a farm, and all the dogs barked on his farm. Part, 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 part. Now, this is where we part ways. You go this way, and I'll go that way. Her arm, harm, her arm, harm. Oh, don't harm yourself. Don't hurt yourself. If you put your finger in that flame, you're going to harm yourself. Yard, 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 yard. And in front of your house, you have your garden. At the back or behind your house is your yard. You put all your broken things or the things that you use for your garden, like your garden tools, the hose, and your bike, and everything in the yard, not in the garden. Shark, shark, SH says shark, shark, shark. Down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea, down in the deep blue sea. Come and take a dive with me. We'll swim with a great white shark. We'll swim with an octopus. We'll swim with a stingray. Come and take a dive with me. How about swimming with dolphins? That would be cool. Shark, shark, march, march. The soldiers are marching left, right, left, right. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Oh, when the saints go marching in. I wanna be in that number. Oh, when the saints go marching in. Ta-ah, ta, ta-ah, ta. Now that's a tar road. It's black, black tar road. Ing, starting. Ing, starting. He's starting to sing. He's going to start the meeting. So we're all going to go and wait and listen to our boss. We're going to read now, first sound, last sound. Are you ready? Arm, far, far, hard, hard, jar, jar, farm, farm, barn, barn, star, star, sharp, sharp, start, start, smart, smart, bar, bar, art, art, card, card, park, park, tart, tart, car, car, dart, dart, arc, arc, mark, mark, spark, spark, dark, dark, scarf, scarf, bark, bark, part, part, harm, harm, yard, yard, shark, shark, march, march, tar, tar, starting, starting. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.